A group contract helps to keep group members accountable for themselves. It manages the groups by helping them to assign roles to each other, holding their contact details so people know when to contact each other for say certain homework issues, if they want more info about something and if they need help with something. Group members all gather together at the start of the project to construct a group contract. There's usually a scaffold for the group contract where they have all the names of the group members, they have the roles of the group members, they have the contact details, and on the bottom, or I think you can personalize it yourself and add some certain info. You could add your end products, you could add some ideas that you could add to the end product. But a group contract is basically for managing the whole group and for ensuring that the end product will be the best.
Group contracts are a form of accountability constructed by group members in a group at the start of each project. Within this group contract, there are several components that the students must follow for an effective group contract. So one being contacts, so if a group member needs to contact another member, they can easily do so by visiting the group contract and referring to the contacts area. Another rule is a sort of accountability system, so strike system for example, so if someone doesn't follow the rules, they get a strike, and after several strikes they may have to have a meeting with the teacher to see if they are actually contributing to the final product. In a group contract there are also rules that everyone must follow. The rules can be made by the teachers that are offered, but they don't need necessarily to be used. But they must also have class norms that are generally always followed in class, like project rules, so what rules must be followed in this project. And they must also have roles that are assigned to each member that must be completed by a certain due date. And this is also to manage students and to account for what they have completed during a project.